Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you're having a Whirlpool refrigerator freezer and it's giving you an EE error and you're trying to figure out what's going on. And you may have noticed that if you have an EE error that your ice maker is not making ice. So because this is a circuit error, it's basically sensing an error with the electronics of the ice maker. The first thing to do if you're getting this error is to just first of all, check your ice maker and make sure there's nothing, you don't see anything visually wrong with it. Like it hasn't been damaged by anything being put in or taken out of the freezer and stuff like that. If that all looks fine, you can also check and make sure that the water going into the freezer is working and stuff like that. Then the next thing to do would just be to do a reset on your ice maker. And I don't have it here. I actually have another video on how to do a reset on the ice maker, a Whirlpool ice maker, but it's really pretty simple. If you go and you find in your ice maker, kind of underneath, there's a reset button. You can use like the eraser of a pencil or something like that to just push and hold the reset button, and you'll see the ice maker will actually go through like a reset cycle. And then hopefully doing all that stuff, you'll get it worked. If none of that worked, the next thing I would recommend the last thing I would recommend really before calling an actual professional to come look at it would be to just defrost everything, because sometimes frost can build up in weird places that kind of messes stuff up. And doing a full defrost, which means taking everything out, unplugging it, leaving the doors open for like a full day, and just letting everything come up to room temperature, everything thaw out. And then hopefully if that doesn't do it at that point, yeah, you're gonna have to call somebody to come figure out what's going on. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.